During the inspection of the Mobolaji Johnson Arena Isolation Center, Mr. Mustapha said he is pleased with the world-class facility set up by Lagos State Government to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. He also asked residents in Lagos to maintain social distancing and report any case of COVID-19 to the NCDC. The task force also visited the Infectious Disease Hospital in Yaba, Lagos University Teaching Hospital, and Igbagada General Hospital. The Presidential Taskforce was conducted round the isolation centers by Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Lagos State Governor has announced the discharge of another COVID-19 patient from the Infectious Disease Hospital in Yaba. Governor Sanwo-Olu announced this in a tweet on Tuesday, bringing the total number of people that have been discharged in the state to 32. Adamawa State Government has concluded plans to convert the psychiatric section of the specialist hospital in Yola to an isolation center for the treatment of suspected COVID-19 patients. The Commissioner for Health in that state, Abdullah Issa, made this known while giving an update on the level of preparedness by the state against any spread of COVID-19. Mr. Issa stated that the decision is in compliance with the federal government's directive that each state must have at least a 300-bed facility for COVID-19 treatment. The Commissioner also debunked rumors making the rounds of possible suspected cases in the state.
He's a master's degree student from Malaysia. He came back 19 days ago. He was into quarantine. The 2 weeks of the quarantine for him was over, self-quarantine. And then after that, he started having runny nose, chest pain, and mild cough with mild fever. So he reported to that private clinic, and as the doctor was taking the history, the moment he asked him, have you traveled in the last 2 weeks or so? He said yes. He just came back from Malaysia. He's a student there. Everybody ran away. They left the patient. It's only the doctor that stayed behind and called us. Our surveillance team went. We said, okay, we are now removing him from your hospital to the specialist hospital. We did that, putting on the proper protective equipment and all those. On taking the history, we realized he does not have the indices.
Kano State Government has issued a 2-week break to workers to curtail the spread of COVID-19 in the state. While receiving the interim report of the fundraising committee at the Government House in Kano, Governor Abdullahi Ganduje said the decision was taken to maintain the state government's proactive measures. Governor Ganduje was earlier at the Sani Abacha Stadium, where Dangote Foundation is constructing 500-bedded isolation center.
I'm sitting on this bed not because I'm a sick person. I am COVID-19 negative.
Kaduna State Government has relaxed the 24-hour curfew it imposed across the state. The curfew will be relaxed for 2 days, beginning from Tuesday, 7th of April, to midnight on the 8th of April. The Deputy Governor, Dr. Hadiza Balarabe, who made the announcement, said the 24-hour curfew was relaxed to allow residents to stock up foodstuffs and essential commodities. Elsewhere, Plateau State Governor Simon Lalong has ordered total lockdown of the state from Thursday, 8th of April 2020 to pave way for fumigation.
We've recorded 48 suspected cases, which were investigated and all found negative. Total discharge from self-isolation are 25, while 8 are still under surveillance. Our surveillance team already in place will continue to be vigilant in identifying cases.
Amenze Obarisiagbon reporting.